Happy Friday. I'm going to keep today's video pretty short and sweet. Just wanted to quickly recap the day. So beautiful day today, shorting these absolute worthless companies. Ticker symbol IREN. I made 16.2K on the day with a beautiful short to start off the day in today's live trading session with my LPP team. From overall highs to the overall lows, there was a 12% retracement. I walked away with about 11K, or like 10K on the day, and then it began to find a support. I then went long, pushed me over that 11K mark, and then I went back short, closing the day a little bit over $16,000. So again, market sentiment began to shift. I'm sure many of you guys felt that this week. Markets turned a little bearish, nothing too significant, but this is one thing that we were talking about in today's live trading session, right? For those that are familiar, I trade live every single morning, but a big part of that is to share my thought process every morning while we are not just trading, but also reading different economic reports. So again, if you ever want to tune on in to my live trading sessions, I trade live every single morning right at market open. It's the second link in the description down below. But one thing that we were talking about is how crucial my success to trading this week was based off of respecting the sentiment. When sentiment became favorable and we saw that selling pressure was present, it made it so much easier. It's still challenging, but it made it so much easier to actively short the market the past 2 to 3 days. Because again, there was actually selling pressure. There was a shift in sentiment. That is going to be the big question for next week. Will the sentiment continue to be in favor for the bears, meaning more selling pressure? That could be very favorable to short. Or do we then begin to see a lot more buying pressure, the higher highs and the higher lows? Sentiment and market trend are so crucial to making it easier for yourself as a trader to respect the current direction of the stock and just to work with it instead of against it. And I think that's what has made trading the past 3 days so enjoyable for myself. So that was my biggest takeaway. I ended up recapping my overall day with the LPP team. And I just wanted to share that with you guys, is that please, I hope that you're picking up on what we saw kind of like mid this week after Jerome Powell spoke during one of his conferences that led to this initial shift for the overall market. And since then, we've been seeing more selling pressure. But again, markets are more bullish than they are bearish. So we will see. Today, we did not sell off. We actually consolidated and found support. So we will have to be paying close attention because again, if markets continue to recover and begin to recover as they have been for the past 4 to 5 months, this will make it favorable and easier to go long. It will make it more challenging to go short, especially with the series of economic reports that we have on the schedule for next week. So again, wanted to keep today's video super short and sweet. I really enjoyed trading with our LPP team today. And for all those that got to see it live, I hope that again, you learned from my experience and what we were able to share during that live stream. So again, if you ever want to tune on into our live trading session, that's going to be that second link in the description down below. And we'd love to have you tune on in so you can start watching me trade live as soon as Monday. And it is designed for complete beginners, and we have a little discount link there for you. So whenever it is that you're ready, second link in the description down below. And if not, maybe you can just consider dropping a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel, and I'll do my part in keeping you up to date to everything that has to do with the stock market. So appreciate your time. Happy Friday. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.